In this video, we are going to explore how Docker assigns names and IDs to containers. Understanding these identifiers is crucial for effectively managing and interacting with your containers. Docker containers have two primary identifiers: container names and container IDs. Container names are human-readable identifiers that make it easy to reference a specific container, while container IDs are unique hexadecimal system identifiers. Let's focus on container IDs first. A container ID is a 64-character hexadecimal string, representing a full secure hash algorithm, 256 hash. These IDs are guaranteed to be globally unique, meaning no two containers ever will share the same ID. Docker automatically generates these IDs during container creation. While container IDs are 64 characters long, Docker allows you to use shortened versions for convenience. You can use the first 12 characters of the container ID. Docker accepts these short IDs for most commands, making it easier to manage your containers without typing the full ID. Now let's shift our focus to container names. Docker can automatically generate a name for your container if you don't specify one. These auto-generated names are typically a combination of a random adjective and the name of a famous scientist. Alternatively, you can assign custom names to your containers. These user-defined meaningful names will help in easier identification. To set a custom name for a container, use the ~name flag with the Docker run command, followed by your desired name. For example, Docker run ~name my-web-app Nginx will create a container running the Nginx image and assign it the name my-web-app. Similarly, Docker run flag d-name database Postgres will create a detached container running PostgreSQL and name it database. Always use the ~name flag during container creation to give your containers meaningful names. You can use either names or IDs in Docker commands to specify which container you are targeting. For example, instead of using the container's ID, you can use the container's name. Here are some commands using names: Docker stop my-web-app, Docker logs database, Docker exec my-web-app ls. Alternatively, using IDs, the commands would look like this: Docker stop a1b2c3d4, Docker logs e5f6g7h8, Docker exec a1b2c3d4 ls. Both names and IDs work interchangeably. Let's summarize the key points. Container IDs are unique 64-character hashes automatically generated by Docker and can be shortened to the first 12 characters. Container names are human-readable identifiers that you can either let Docker auto-generate or define yourself, and they greatly simplify container management. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.